local fighters tend to have really elite bench strength.
Oh, big knee to the body.
But SANGKHUM smells blood in the water. Fakes the body shot. There was another knee to the body. But SANGKHUM in the red corner. TIMUR in the blue. Feeling each other out for the low kicks. Deep to the thigh, just gauging the distance as TIMUR. Oh, that left hand connected clean. Bird letting fly early doors. Missed with that one. Put plenty of power behind it. Dumps his opponent to the ground.
ดับไตซ้อนนะเชิดกลับตลาด
Not able to connect with the right hand, lost the high kick.
จะไทยกดไปเชิญกลับตลาด
Body kick blocked. Nice shot there. Wide. Okay, misses, but he gets it with the jab.
Yeah, he's landing that jab clean. That's 2 in a row.
Lengthy jab on him. Free setup shot.
Big elbow in the clinch. Another one.
Lively elbows in front. Lovely use of the team as well. Big shots. TIMUR dishing out his own elbows.
SANGKHUM very accurate so far with the strikes. Here's the defense.
Bird catches the team. Shows a bit of dominance. More lengthy, sharp jabs from Bird SANGKHUM. And it's a low blow. TIMUR on the receiving end.
That had to hurt. That was pretty clean.
มาต่อการประกวด
Go,
ขั้น
let's
ที่อยู่
crack on. Bird looking playful, rhythmic. In the clinch is often when we see these fights won and lost. The local fighters tend to have really elite bench strength.
Oh, big knee to the body and TIMUR goes down. I think it's fun.
That's a heavy one, Chris.
Yeah, that was
6
nasty. That was vicious.
8
Oh, is he getting up? Yeah.
Warrior.
Oh,
Warrior. What a
ประกวด
warrior.
กันต่อขั้นที่อยู่
definitely feeling that.
But SANGKHUM smells blood in the water. A knee to the body drops him again.
2 3 4 5 6 7 8
TIMUR saying he's good to
ประกวด
go.
กันต่อขั้นที่อยู่
Let's see if SANGKHUM can finish him here.
Fakes the body shot. There was another knee to the body. Almost needed out of the ring. Another body shot with the left. Misses the elbow. That left up.
And here we go, round 2.
Bird will be looking to put a stamp on this one.
ช่องมวยได้โชว์
Recovery time. The left hand lands clean.
ตีมอฟชีจะไป2เป็นตัวมันเชื่อระบาด
Been landing all night here.
High kick
กับ
block.
โอ้
Switches levels to low kick again. There's complaints of a low blow.
กอด
The
จอม
referee
ตะลาว
put his
ไป
hand, giving a nice
ตีมอ
check.
ก็แต่สาวตีมอนี่อัพใช้เธอชื่อมา
ประกวดกันต่อขั้นที่อยู่
สุดจะตรวมชื่อได้สุดจะตรวม
Look how calm Bird
นา
looks
โช
again.
นาโช
Lovely
กลั
jab.
บมาชื่อกระบอกมาระบาดสุดแรงตีมอสองเป็น
Set up
สอง
something
แขน
more
จับ
dangerous.
มาไว้
This is the clinch where we see
Ready.
effective work from the Cambodian. Watch out for those elbows. The referee separates them.
นาโชปีเปิดตะคึม
So hard. Picks the shot, picks the low kick, picks the left jab.
Trying to sneak the knee in to the body.
ตัดใจกันเด็กมันเงี้ยกันเนี่ย
And TIMUR is very aware now
นาโช
of those body shots. He knows all it takes to put him down again.
อันตรูฉลอง
So calm.
จะปลดใจเสียชาประมาประตะคึม
That elbow just missed
จับ
by
โกต้องช่วยแม่
an inch.
สองอันเชิดสองเว้ย
TIMUR staying in the fight for now.
อันตรูฉลองประมาเปิดตะคึมสองอันเชิด
Looking for openings
โจ
to
น
Bird.
เรียบร้อยไอ้เนี่ยแต่ตีมอสกันดับได้ในวงประจำแต่ตัวเชิงกราวประมาเปิดตะคึมขวาโชว์แต่อัพใช้ในวุฒิ เฮ้ยเสียงปืนกำลังเวิร์กเนี่ยเวิร์กประการทำมาพุลก่อนมาเชื่อมบอลแก
Body kick follows up with the right elbow.
ចាប់ទៀនលោកអាញាកណ្ដាលទៀនពីបុលស្រ័យថា stop
He's dominant in those clinch situations.
មើលពីកំដាក់ចូលចេញតាមដៃរបស់មើលពីកំនេះអត់ចេញទេសូនចិត្តរំពង
Right hand, left shot to the body.
អូយទីមកបត់កែរបស់មើលពីកំល្អយ៉ាងនេះអីយ៉ាមិនតែជាប់មិនជាប់មើលពីកំបែក
Passion from T for the left to the body. Lovely shot in his arsenal.
តាមដៃ
The right, the left, the right elbow. Oh! Timur with a step to elbow. Trying to counter this barrage from the
វាយ
Cambodian.
អត់ដល់ទេវាយក្បាលពួកមើលពីកំ
Didn't quite gauge that one.
ទីមកស៊ូមែនវាយចូលក្បាលពួកបាត់ដៃពេញ
SANGKHUM stopping right now. Pushing up against the ropes.
To the body again. It's a beautiful shot.
មើលពីកំបុកខាយវិញបាត់ទីមក
Wild downward elbow from Timur.
អូយបងប្អូនអ្នកទស្សនានៅទីនេះ
13 seconds to go here, round 2.
គេអាថានពេញចិត្តហើយមើលទៅដើរចូលពីមើលពីកំ
Timur showing his durability with 5 seconds left. Bird using the jab well once more, then the low kick.
ចាប់ទឹកទី
Finishing. Looking like the favourite to do that, but this one showing us spectacular and surprising things time and time again.
កណ្ដាប់ដៃទាត់មួយជើងទៀតរបស់មើលសង្ឃឹម
Again, leading with the
ហៅ
jab.
ថាកាប់ត្រឡាច
Takes his shots real nicely, very accurate.
ទាត់មួយជើងលើឥណ្ឌានូឆ្លង
Timur
ខ្លួន
trying to
របស់
keep
មើ
him
ល
at
សង្ឃឹ
bay
ម
with a seat to the thigh.
បាទ3សិនសេនវាយដកដៃទាត់ជើងក្រោមរបស់ទីមួយសអន្តរជាតិបោះជង្គង់បត់កែមកទីមួយ
Combinations doing work again with a short elbow inside the clinch. For SANGKHUM.
មើលសង្ឃឹម
Knee to the body.
Always finishes it off with the knee
ទា
after
ត់
the
មួយ
clinch.
ជើងរបស់ទីមួយ
Nice outside low
វាយ
kick from
វាយ
Timur.
រវងប្រច័ន
The left
ទី
hook
មួយ
to
ឆោត
wild
ចូល
one.
សអន្តរជាតិសង
Left
ទៅ
to
វិញ
the body.
កាប់
Another
មួយ
shot
ជើ
set
ង
up. Body kick.
ដាក់ចូល
And SANGKHUM really hasn't been hit hard in this fight. He just takes the shots and he's been hit, but
បាត់កែស្ទាក់ឆាងរបស់មើលសង្ឃឹមអ្នកចូល
getting
មកវិញ
just nails those body shots.
គាត់ចាប់តឡាច
Lovely
របស់
double
មើល
change.
សង្ឃឹម
Those
ចាប់
body
សង
kicks
វិញ
as well.
ទីមួយ
Those wear him
ចាប់
down.
ខាងលើឥណ្ឌានូឆ្លងព្រំចាប់ជើងអត់អីទេពេលចាក់មើលកម្លាំងវើដាក់មួយបាត់កែ
Short, sharp
Hey,
elbow.
say that
Spinning back
again.
kick. That
Back
was
kick.
love.
That was a very.
But you can tell
Ouch.
បាទ
Bird
ស្ដាប់កាយដល់មើល
SANGKHUM
សង្ឃឹម
enjoying himself in there.
Yeah, he's enjoying
គូបន្ត
himself.
ខនីយូ
He's enjoying himself.
It's like a man very much where he was meant to be in life. Incredible stage.
Great rhythm.
That jab went through.
នេះរំភងប្រចាំពីរដៃចូលទៅពីរដៃ
Timur fighting back on his own body shot. That might have got a bit of respect from his opponent.
Yeah, Timur has not backed down.
That one went through.
He's protecting the body shots better, countering, and he's caught SANGKHUM a couple times.
ដាក់ចូលទាំងឆា
Still up here.
មកមើលសង្ឃឹម
Timur's mouth wide open.
សងវិញរបស់ទីមួយ
Right elbow. That's better
សង
than a Coach Republic fighter.
50 seconds here left on round 3.
ដាក់ចូលគាត់
Very
ជើ
playful,
ង
rhythmic.
ចាប់ជើងបានហើយចាប់ជើងបានអត់ធ្វើអីទេធ្វើអីអត់ចេញបានអត់ធ្វើបុកកែងមួយរបស់ទីមួយធាក់ទល់របស់ទីមួយអីសីចន្ទល់រៀមវាអត់ចូលច្រត់អីសីក៏មិនធ្ងន់ណែដាក់ចូលបើសង្ឃឹមណែខ្នងដៃអីសូខ្នងដៃអេសូសងមកវិញរំពងប្រចាំក៏អត់ត្រូវ
ចាប់ទឹកទី3 and our final គោក្របងសង្ឃឹមបាទ
Nama Sabon Sakon Negara Nigeria Kampuchia